As the dad of a Top Chef family style contestant, I get huge benefits of getting to eat delicious things that she always wants to try to cook. So tonight she started out with some beautiful artichokes and butter, melted butter, oh delicious. But the showtime was this lobster roll and fresh homemade French fries. And I gotta tell you, this lobster roll was delicious. Now I am typically a guy who likes the old school cold lobster salad type lobster roll, but this was butter and hot, and she absolutely nailed it. The lobster was overflowing. It was delicious. This was absolutely a Showtime lobster tail. Huge thumbs up. Thank you, Brooke.